Good morning. Saan mang mundo tayo naroon? It's time 4:33. Magluluto tayo ng Chinese rice. Yan. Egg, sausages, mixed vegetable, and onion garlic, and ang ating rice. Siyempre guys, bawang sibuyas muna tayo. Ito na, atin natin ang ating sausage. Sausage, lagay natin ang mixed vegetable. Kahit natin rice. And then, mix natin. Ito talaga guys yung madalas kong lutuin. Basta import natin ang vegetable. Lagyan natin ang egg. By the way guys, yung itlog na ginawa ko, yung itlog na maalat. Tapos din na tayo nag-salt. Black pepper na lang. Then, this is it. Takpan natin ng saglit and luto na siya. With sausages, kainin natin ang ating Chinese rice with sausages. Itlog, na pala yan. Hotdog tawag ni sausage. And guys, luto na siya. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day everyone. God bless.